हे जहाज काही साधं सुद्धा नाही, हे असते एक युद्ध नौका.
These 17 Alphas today represent a complete amalgamation of so many things that went well for the Navy.
Taragri is uniquely equipped with both state-of-art diesel engines as well as gas turbines for main propulsion.
This ship is as Indian as it can get.
The major drive or the concept behind the design was stealth, survivability, maximum indigenous content and the best firepower in the world.
अगर आप अभियांत्रिकी की बात करें, दैट इज हार्ट ऑफ द शिप. हम छोटे बड़े करीब 200 इक्विपमेंट के साथ में इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं और 16,000 से ज़्यादा पाइपिंग करते हैं. 6,300 टन के इस जहाज को मूव करने के लिए जो गति चाहिए वो हमारे गैस टर्बाइन या डीजल इंजन के द्वारा ही दी जाती है. जब ये इक्विपमेंट हमारे पास आते हैं तो उनका बाहर से लेके अंदर शिप के अंदर डालने तक, उसको इंस्टॉलेशन करने तक, उसकी पाइपिंग करके उसको लाइव करने तक और उसको पूरे ट्रायल टीम को दिखाना, ये है हमारा काम. सारे इक्विपमेंट के ट्रायल जो है, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सी ट्रायल या CST कहते हैं जिसे, हमने सिर्फ 2 CST में खत्म की है.
In this ship, we have multiple radar system. In case of any defect on any aspect, it can be seen on the system, and the corrective action would be suggested by the system to go for an alternate route. So we have to make sure all the power system is ready before the system or the system's requirement get ready.
So some of the challenges that we faced in during the construction of Taragri was the delay in delivery of few equipment as well as limited availability of OEM specialists, particularly since the Indian Navy is working on multiple projects simultaneously in various shipyards. How we overcame them is because of the core strengths of MDL in weapon system integration, propulsion system integration.
Weapon wise is a very challenging and tough job. We have to maintain precision, accuracy during the installation of weapon. There are lots of weaponry on this ship, in which some gun mounts, missile complex, torpedo and radar system. We have to first machine the surface and then drilling and the installation carried out. We have to perform this activity very accurately.
No other ship has come out in such a combat ready state. Now this happens with very clear and very close and proactive synergized approach and work by the ship, the crew of the ship, WOT and MDL.
जहाज म्हटलं की तुमच्या समोर येतं ढाचा, म्हणजेच अर्थात हल. हल या विभागामध्ये जवळपास 7 असे विविध प्रकारचे विभाग असतात. त्याच्यामध्ये जवळपास 300 ते 400 लोकांना घेऊन तुम्हाला जहाज बनवायचं असतं. युद्धनौका बनवताना त्याच्या पाठीमागे येतात अपार कष्ट, त्याच्या मागे येतात तुमची अपार मेहनत, तुम्हाला दिवस रात्र मेहनत करावं लागतं. तेव्हा कुठं तुमचं युद्धनौकेचं स्वप्न सत्यात उतरतं.
It's been a really challenging and a beautiful experience to witness and oversee the fitment of all the equipments along with the hull. It gives me immense pride and deep sense of accomplishment that I got to be part of the construction of this majestic ship.
I would vouch that this is the best frigate right now in Indian Navy with the best in class stability available in the ship.
We are here in the middle of the Arabian Sea in Taragiri for the final machinery trials. Now this is the one of the major activity of shipbuilding divisions for conducting the machinery trials. We are going to deliver this vessel to Indian Navy.
Today we can boast about having a really strong suite of sensors and weapons. You know, from the guns to the missiles to all kinds of missiles, in fact, to the torpedoes, to the sonar. Everything is state of the art. Everything is absolutely the best that the Navy has to offer right now, and probably amongst the best that the world has to offer right now.
भारतीय नौसेना के साथ काम करना हमेशा से गर्व की बात रही है.